for today's event. Good evening, everybody. Respected dignitaries on the dais, respected teachers, and my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of this Women's Day celebration. We all have gathered here for celebration of Women's Day. But well before that, do we really understand why there is need of celebration of this womanhood? What we understand by meaning of womanhood? What we understand when we see a woman? What is this personality called woman? So today I'll be talking on 2 to 3 aspects. First, let us try to understand what we really understand by womanhood. What is a woman? Why there is need of celebration of womanhood? What are the responsibilities? And at end, Principal Ma'am had told to talk something about multitasking, which recently I have done, and I want to be a role model for everyone of you. So to start with, in humor it is said in Hindi that औरत को समझना मुश्किल भी नहीं नामुमकिन है. And on internet, such a big book was viral, saying that alas, a book has been invented where we come to know that what a woman is. I'll let you know. Through literatures, through spirituality, when we go in depth, we come to understand that if Shiva is the masculine part of nature, Shakti is the feminine part of our nature, we women are Shakti Swarup of this nature. So what is woman? Woman is equal to power, energy. Woman is not aware of that. The moment woman gets aware of that, she has got tremendous energy. That way, nature has given us so many responsibilities. Woman is working at house, she is taking care of her profession, she is taking care of her kids, doing household jobs. Apart from that, she has tremendous capabilities to even face so many problems in life well better than men. Shiva is there. He manifests through Shakti, through this energy swarup of this nature. So this energy helps a woman to do so many jobs. So this is about what I am saying, talking now, coming to the most important topic of multitasking. Multitasking is difficult but not impossible. If you first thing understand your energy level, second thing, work on it and not waste it. Don't waste it. Everything should be planned. If you have a vision, you can strive hard. Without vision, you will waste your energy in everything. I always have plans of 10 years after, 1 year after, 1 month before, and tomorrow what I am supposed to do, I am planned. So my energy will not waste. So it should be channelized use of that energy. Being a woman, we have energy, we are energetic, we should use it. It should not be stressful also. Now, for example, I am going for Bharatanatyam classes, I am learning sitar, I take care of myself in the form of fitness, right? So it should not be stressful, I have to go there, No, you should enjoy that process also. That is the most important thing. And you do whatever you like. That is the most important thing because it will give us happiness. So second aspect I told, like why there is need of celebration of womanhood. What these celebrations give us? Happiness. India is a country full of celebrations. We celebrate so many festivals, we celebrate even harvesting of seeds. So this celebration is needed, this coming together is needed to spread happiness. Why? Happiness is the highest goal of life. Why we are struggling? Money will give us happiness. This is what is giving me happiness. So this should be our aim of life. So we need to celebrate each and every achievement of us, and when we look back, there should be a step forward ahead, progress in us. If at age of just 45 years I can do, why can't you do? You can do? As ma'am told, I was also once sitting amongst you and listening to motivating speakers. And now look, I have become role model here, and it gives me immense pleasure. And I feel now I have got more responsibilities to come ahead and give more things. Why are you competing with men? We women are much ahead than men. We are very wonderful. Their all aspects are different. Respect each other. Respect each other's values. Men think on grosser level. Women has a very characteristic feature of thinking on subtler level. Now we think not only of ourselves. We think about our family, our kids. So that is the base of women empowerment. We are talking about what? Women empowerment. In West, what it means? The concept is totally different. Try to understand. Very important thing I am telling. Women empowerment is like I am now earning, I'll do whatever I want and go and do it. No. What actually base of our Indian culture is telling it? You develop. First you should have something to give somebody, no? You should earn to donate. So when a woman in a family is empowered, when she is complete, then she can give to her kids, the family. So imagine such wonderful complete families make a wonderful society, and that will make the country developed. So empowerment is very important. Don't take in the other way. You should understand the basic and strive hard. Each one of you have potential in yourself. You have to only understand and work on it. Thank you here for giving me an opportunity to express myself. I thank all. Looking ahead for much collaborations. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiration.